This is the, well, world famous Christopher Lau.
What is libel? Kasi parang, well, there are people who equate libel as parang curtailing speech.
Okay.
Okay, that's not true. Okay? Sa libel, you can speak your mind, provided it is within the bounds of law. What does that mean? Meaning that you're not causing injury to another. Okay? Of course, you're free to say things, but you are limited by the rights of others.
Okay.
Others have a right to life, liberty, property, and reputation, for example, is property.
Yes.
So you can exercise your right to speak, provided it does not injure somebody else's right.
Okay.
Okay. I know that freedom of expression, speech, ranks high in our hierarchy of values in a democracy, but that is not the only right. Take note, we have right to life, liberty, and property, right? Right to privacy, diba? We never, in a democracy, parang we have rights, okay? But we are not at liberty to exercise them in order to endure. Ganun lang dapat ang guide natin.
Okay.
I just don't like it when people equate libel with suppression. Iba kasi yung issue ng constitutional infirmity sa libel.
Okay.
Kasi yung libel, it is not constitutionally prescribed. It has been delegated to the wisdom of Congress to decide whether this merits incarceration or not. Okay. Diba? What the Constitution prescribes is yung a law that doesn't warn somebody, diba? That's vague. It doesn't inform somebody of the offense, diba? He does not know if he's committing a crime. Tapos, ano pa ba? The Constitution prohibits suppression of free speech. Okay. Definitely. But libel is not a suppression of free speech. Kasi, lahat naman ng freedom ay may limit. Of course. Diba? To begin with, no freedom is absolute or unbridled. Otherwise, we'd be living in a state of anarchy. Remember that ours is a law of, ours is a rule of law, not of men.
Okay. If this law already existed when all of that crap happened to you, would you have sued? I mean,
you have to choose your battles.
Okay.
Ganun lang kadali yun eh.
Any names you would have or no?
Would have? Pwede yun, kasi may evil behind it eh. Okay. Siguro, puntahan mo yung origin. Kaya yan,
Okay.
Public officials are held to a much higher standard. Okay? It's harder for them to prosper. Their suit against you to prosper. Kasi you have a defense, and that is truth. Diba? So for example, naglabas ka na ito nangurakot ng ganito, kakasuhan ka ng libel, may depensa ka. Oh, totoo naman eh.
Isn't supposedly the...
Hindi lang din yun.
Doesn't the law supposedly say though na truth is not a valid defense? At least...
sa ano yun? Sa mga hindi public figures yun.
Pag public figure pwede yung truth.
Pag public figure pwede, hindi lang din yun. Kasi ang libel, may elements yan eh.
Alright.
Mahirap kasi talaga na... Kaya, kunwari, sa public official ka, may ang article mo talks about a public official or public figure. Kung ano yan, the suit against you will prosper if you did not have regard for the truth or falsehood of your statement. That means you were reckless. Diba? Pero kung naging reckless ka, pero it turns out tama pala, depensa ka pa rin, diba? So maraming safeguards.
Okay.
You must remember na for a libel suit to prosper, malicious intent must be proven.